John Dalton here with you on a Saturday afternoon, and I got something for you. If you like camping, you like boating, I've got the greatest portable table for you. It's through Trekology, which is a great company. Okay, and what they do here is they make the lightest, best table for you. And it's easy to put together. It comes in this great carry case. Has one side for the legs, one side for the table. Legs come out like this. It's like an accordion. Pull it out, flip the leg up, match it up, put it in. Same with this leg. Match them up, okay? And you put it together like that. The table comes in a couple different colors. This one is a beautiful blue. I love it because it's summer. It's so light. It's aluminum. They're really easy to clean. Has a rubber band together. It's like an accordion style. It has these two grooves that connect to the edges of the table. So you just flip it. Put together. This one's a little dirty because I've used it quite a bit, but voila. You carry it and you put it down, and it's great for being out at the beach, being on the dock here. At a finger, you can put it right behind you if you need extra space. Camping, hell, even your own backyard. It's great for everything, and it's sturdy, and it's easy to clean. A little soap and water, soft cloth, easy to clean. Take it off, just do reverse. Just unclip each side. And this nice little rubber band, put it on this side. Around this side. Take this one out, push them back together, accordion style, real nice, just nice together. This one on this side. And voila, you're done. And I have two of them. And I love it, and I'm going to get a couple more because they come in small, medium, and large, and they come in a few different colors. I think there's like a brown, a silver, the blue, and I think they come in black too. But you have to check, and I'm going to put the links in the description below on Amazon where you can get them. They're $35 to like $59. But like I said, it's the best portable table you're ever going to have. I love them. And maybe a little bit later I will do a review on the pros and cons between Trekology and, let's say, another portable table. But this was just to give you a quick one and to see what you're thinking about this Trekology table. I love them, and I would advise anybody else to buy them because I think they're great. But until the next review, you have a good one. Take it easy. And we'll see you next time.